What's up, everybody? Marshall here with another Wine Express tasting, and we got a beauty. We got Château de Landiras. This is 2019, and this is a special bottling for them. This is a Cuvée Jeanne de Lestonnac, and this is Grave, left bank wine, and just kind of hanging out right on the river there on the Garonne. And Grave gets the name for gravel soils there, gravelly soils. So the history on this one dates back to 1607 of the Compagnie Notre Dame, which is a school that was set up for allowing women to have access to education, which was, out of the ordinary, back in those days. And Jeanne de Lestonnac was kind of the champion of the effort. So this wine is in her honor, in her name, in her dedication. And again, one of those small, petite chateau offerings, bottlings that we go through quite a bit of these to make sure we find some gems. This one stood out in a lineup of, I don't know, this was over a week. I think we sampled like 100. And everyone had this pegged as like easily, $50, $60, $75 Bordeaux. Because it's so sophisticated, and I'm coming back to it now from our tasting from months back. My God, the black fruits on this up front of black cherry and cassis and that currant and blackberry, they hit you first. Then you get hit with this spice, and the spice comes first as like this eucalyptus, star anise note. Then you get hit with this floral, like this lavender and this really pretty lilac. Yeah, you get a little bit of notes from the oak, but it's not this, overt new oak. There's, some of that kind of maybe nutmeg and cinnamon, but it's just that kind of toasty, woodsy, smoky note. Man, and it waves like that, it layers. It is so compelling and appealing on the nose. Let's taste it. This has such a amazing combination of New World and Old World. And what do I mean by that? The fruit is concentrated. It's got this beautiful core of dense dark fruit, the minerality that comes out, the chalkiness of the tannins, the Old World mouthfeel that comes out, and the finish. You just know that it's like classic Bordeaux, right? You taste this, you're like, wow, that's Bordeaux. And I love these wines that just represent the region so well. Represents Grave the way it should be. A little bit more concentration than some of even these, more traditional wines, which to me, I like fruit, what can I tell you? So, got a big score. It's not the scores of everything, but the score is dead on because it's really a well-made, well-crafted wine. And the good news is that there wasn't a lot of it, and we grabbed it all. So you're only going to find it here at Wine Express. It's something that you're going to enjoy over the holidays. The season is coming up. This is a crowd-pleasing wine, whether you like Bordeaux, whether you like, California Cabs. This is going to please everyone in the room. So make sure you grab some while we still have it. Cheers. Enjoy.